Hey little champs, are you ready for super fun game? Let's learn the pawn game. Let's talk about how to choose who play with which color. Here how it works. One player hides black pawn in one fist and one in white in other. So both fists out, the other player picks one. So like this we can make it. So if you pick the black pawn, you will play as black. If you pick the white pawn, you will play as white. So now, after the first game, it's time to switch colors. So every time you play, you will swap the sides. Here how the game starts. Make sure the chessboard look like this. Set up all your pawns like this and you are ready to go. Now let's talk about how you win the game. You win if your opponent gives up, you capture all the pawn, or one of the pawn reaches the last row of your opponent's side. Your opponent pawns all are struck and they have no moves left, but you have still a move. So these are all the rules for you win the game. But what happened if both players don't win? The game is tie. So both players agree to end the game as a tie. All the pawns are struck and neither player can move any move. Here is the important rule before you start the game. When it is your turn, if you touch one of your pieces, you have to move it. So if you touch this piece, you have to move like this. You can't take it back. So think carefully before you touch a piece. Once you decide, make your move with confidence. This rule is called touch move. Yeah, that's it, little champ. You are ready to play the game. Good luck and may the best player win. Take your parents and play with them. Bye.